FTTH installation with gabocom. Level out the trench bottom with sand, so the blown fibre optic cable installations can be reached over great distances. The greater the distance, the cheaper the price. Several speed pipe ground are bundled with a tight sheath. For branching off, a cutter opens the bundle without damaging the speed pipe. The bundle is opened quickly to a length of 80 to 100 centimeters, accessing the thin sheath. Only the upper 2/3 of the sheath require removal. Open the bundle wherever a fibre optic cable is introduced into the house. Apply gabocom's branch supports to assure a safe branch off. The TBS enables a transition of speed pipe into the house from 2 directions. The LBS allows access in 1 direction. Both products ensure an optimal curve progression. An LBS is installed. The speed pipe cutter allows a rectangular, pressure-free and clean cut. End plugs seal the blind end of the speed pipe from gas and water. The other end is connected outside of the LBS bend with the in-house leading speed pipe. By avoiding only 1 expensive branch out, the investment pays off after 55 branch supports. Our focus lies on complete systems from outside to inside. In-house leadings seal both concrete and brickwork safely. Again, the end plug seals the speed pipe. Document the LBS in order to consider the blow-in direction in the future. After all buildings are completed, the trench is filled with sand and a base layer on top. Finish by closing the road surface. Gabocom is your partner for future networks, as your project is our project. We'd be pleased to advise you on site. Find further details about laying instructions at www.gabocom.com.